In this video, I'm going to show you my personal fine opinion on BZFD, Buzzfeed. Okay, Buzzfeed today is a little bit down around 5%. Let's cover it up. Before we get into a disclaimer, okay, just go ahead and read through it. Let's get into it. So we can see that we're sitting in a demand area, and that's beautiful. Okay, I'm going to say that at least. And right now, we understand that after that beautiful impulsive move of right around like we can count it like from 25th of January, but actually like from the start of the year, let's count it from there actually. At some point we were up 520%, close to 520% in a matter of 30 days, okay, for the whole month. But right now we're kind of experiencing some correction, and this is absolutely fine. Like stuff like that happens. We have to understand that. My prediction is this. Okay, exactly what I'm expecting the price to do is this. So I'm bullish a little bit from here, or if that doesn't go as planned, the price might still go bearish and then continue to be bullish from here to at least deliver to above the highs. So